मुंबई एक्सप्रेस न्यूज में आप सभी का स्वागत है।
So very good evening to our viewers out over there on social media. I'm coming to you live and exclusive from the Courtyard Marriott, that's in Andheri, and I have with me over here Mr. Ajay Thakur, who's going to give us a little bit of brief about the plastic industry, I guess. Okay, so good evening to you, sir, and thank you for talking to Mumbai Express.
It was a wonderful day today. We have in BSE SME platform 328th company GM Polyplast got listed, and since listing the company is doing very well. I'm quite sure the way they are progressing in the next few years they will become at least mid-sized company and contribute to the growth of the nation and create a lot of employment. They are exporting, and India as of now requires a lot of export to go from the country. So I'm quite sure that as the exports of this country will go up, it will keep on contribute to both the forex reserves and to the growth of the country.
So in regards to investment, what do you got to advise our viewers out over there? A lot of viewers watching you on social media. What would you like to advise them from the BSE point of view?
I would like to tell the investors that we need to invest into the company in their growth. That's very much required, and that's why BSE has created this SME platform. And at the same time, we also request all the SME promoters to please enjoy the benefits of getting listed on the BSE SME platform, take the equity funding route and grow their company. It's very much required that a small and medium-sized company, which are the backbone of Indian economy, must grow. And there is no better platform than BSE SME platform which can contribute to their growth.
I have with me here Mr. Dinesh, who's also going to tell us something about his company that he's just launched. Okay, and this is for all our viewers out over there. If you'd like to invest, please listen to him very carefully. Thank you very much, sir, for talking to Mumbai Express.
Thank you very much. I myself Dinesh Sharma. I am the managing director of the company, and I would like to tell you about my company that I established this company in the year 2003, and we are into the manufacturing of plastic sheets and rolls, which is mainly used in packaging materials in FMCG, then bus body, then automobile industries, agricultural seedling trays. We are also having another business which is known as plastic granules manufacture. We manufacture the premium quality granules out of the scrap, and we have got some imported machines out of which we manufacture these granules. And seeing the current scenario of the COVID, the market is very upset nowadays, but with the grace of God, we are fine with the orders, and maybe if God's grace, we'll do much better in the future. Thank you.
In regards to the plastic industry, what do you got to tell our viewers out there where the investment is concerned?
See, plastic industries is always growing. There is no doubt about that. Maybe the governments are putting some ban on some plastic products, but to be very frank, we are not at all affected by this. And I think so. In our line, we are going to go.
So, very good evening to you, ma'am. Ms. Visha Ghosh, I have with me over here who are the financial advisors to the company, and she's also going to share light on us as to what our viewers have for her.
Yeah, I think IPO in itself is a great achievement for any company, because all the good efforts that are put in by the company comes to the forefront. People know about the company. GM Polyplast we know, I think, for more than 10 to 15 years now, and we have been advising them on various matters, strategic, legal, as well as this issue, this IPO. So I think GM Polyplast is a brand which the investors can rely on. They are very hardworking. They have a very hardworking management in the form of Mr. Dinesh Sharma and his father, Mr. Balbir Sharma. So we wish them all the best, and I think they will do very good in future.
So in regards to the financial market, where do you see the company way ahead?
I think when we look at the financial market, considering the conditions of COVID-19, still the shares were subscribed 1.5 times oversubscribed. So I think that's a very big achievement. So I think as to the company has plans to foray into overseas markets, as well as they'll try to have a new manufacturing facility. So I think it will be a good standing for the company in the coming years in the capital market.
So, in spite of the pandemic and all the crisis that has at present is going on, you mean to say like there is still a lot of scope for the investors out over there?
Yes. I think the markets will bounce back once this COVID-19 thing is sorted out, which I think will be soon in 2021. We are going to have a very good market, and I think the things will turn out well.
I have with me also over here Mr. Alok, who's also the promoter of Greatex, and he is also going to tell us something about the company and where does it stand.
Myself, Alok Harlalka. I am the managing director of my company called Greatex Corporate Services Private Limited. We are SEBI registered category 1 merchant banker. And today I am very happy to say that today this is 21st company under the banner of Greatex Corporate Services Private Limited. A company called GM Polyplast Limited have got listed at BSE SME platform. It is my privilege, and it is really kind of you can say premium company, one of the premium company in this sector, this polyplast sector. This company is there, so it is really kind of privilege, and thanks to Mr. Dinesh Sharma, the promoter of the company, who have given me an opportunity to get him listed on BSE SME platform, and thanks to BSE SME also Mr. Ajay Thakur, SME head, who has referred this company to me, and I am very much thankful to him. Also very much thankful to Mr. Vivek Joshi, who is the advisor to the company, who has created the confidence on the promoter that yes, he should get listed. So thanks to him also, and thanks to the entire team of GM Polyplast, and who has supported us to list them on BSE SME platform. And thanks to my entire team of Greatex Corporate, Amina Khan, Dimple, Nabil, Mugda, Sana, and others who have done really wonderful job. And thanks to my own family, who has supported always me for any work which I do for small companies. They always bearing with me. So thanks to my family also. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.